Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I made that hairstyle, the crisscross hairstyle with that pattern. If you love this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.
Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you
So guys, what you're going to do first is section your hair into three parts, and the first part is putting your box braid in the first part, which is the nape area, and the second part is where you're going to do your crisscross design. But for this nape area or this section where you do your box braid, it's up to you if you want to do the box braid, but I would always advise to do the box braid because first of all, if you don't know how to section your hair downwards, or like me, because I don't have a long hair, my hair is extremely short at the bottom part, so I need this box braid section. And guys, I did four box braid, but if you don't want to do four box braid, you want to do as much as possible, that is basically your preference, that is on you and it's allowed. But I did this because I don't have a long hair, so I'm going to be doing this box braid with this style or this technique. And in this technique, I would just do the threading method. You could do a rubber band method, and then I'll just crochet the hair through it and just braid. You could use gel, but I didn't use gel because my hair would be really slippery if I didn't like do it dry or just natural. But it's up to you guys. Like I said, it's just basically your preference. So guys, after completing your first section, we're going to go to the top part. It's You're going to section this hair from ear to ear, and the reason is because that is how long you want your crisscross to be. If you want to do it from, like, let's say temple of your head to temple of your hair, that is also fine, but the crisscross is going to be very like tiny and it's not going to show that much. But I decided to do this, and I'm braiding the hair down just to get it out of my way. So guys, this is how the braid came out to be, and don't worry, that white thing you're seeing is the gel. So for this sectioning, I'm going to do a very small one at the middle, and that's because if, as you see or as you saw it in the thumbnail, it's actually one small braid and a crisscross, and then one small braid and a crisscross. So in the middle I have a small braid, and that is what I'm sectioning out right now. And I used the TikTok method to do this whole hair. I used the TikTok method, but I started with my actual Ghana weaving hairstyle. So guys, if you want to keep watching this video, that is fine. But I think I braided for like 1 more minute or so, so you could skip to the next part of the video, or you could keep watching. And if you've gotten to this part of the video, I want to say thank you for tuning in, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below for me. Try to support me. Your subscription matters to me a lot. Your likes matters to me a lot, and your sharing does a big deal for me a lot. So guys, I went ahead to finish one portion of the hair, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I did that part on this other end. So what you do first is section out your baby hair. I love bringing out my baby hair, so if you don't like it, that is fine, but I do. So I brought out my baby hair and I lay it down because I don't want it to get into the way like when I braids. And that is the two crisscross I'm going to be using for this first video. So I would cut out the front piece according to the piece I sectioned out at the back. I'll repeat myself. I section out the hair in the front with the same way or like at the same direction I sectioned out the two piece I'm going to crisscross at the back. So I just literally follow the same line of sections I did. That is what I did throughout the whole video. Just follow the sections for the front parts, whether it's big, whether it's small, make sure it's the same size. I'm trying to make it clean, and I added my gel. If you don't want gel, it's fine. Like I said earlier, I'm really not a big fan of gel, so it's up to you. So I'm going to be doing the TikTok style while like crocheting the hair. I'm going to be crocheting the expression braiding hair into the braids I braided first. And if you notice, I didn't crochet the expression braiding hair directly at the back or directly behind the section out hair. I did it at the opposite area, and that is what you do. That's how you get your crisscross. Okay, so just put in your braids together, and then once you're done crocheting your braids, you'd start braiding. I did the Ghana weaving method. You could do the feed in method with this style, but I did the Ghana weaving for the beginning. So what I did was section out like a little piece of hair like you see earlier, and then I started braiding. I did Ghana weaving for the beginning, but then when I got to the TikTok style or the crochet part, I just braided straight down because I already had the braids connected. I already had the external hair or the extension hair connected to my braids. So I just braided back. What you also want to do here is have a tight grip on your hair, but not too tight, okay? Have like something very comfortable on your hair because you don't want it to like hurt you. I'm not really tender-headed, but this information is for people that are tender-headed. So this video is clear and very explanatory, so I think I would just stop boring you with my instructions so that you guys would just focus and see what I'm doing. Oh, apparently I just can't even stop talking. Anyways, apparently what I did was I just like I am how would I put this English now? Anyways, actually I was just connecting what I was um braiding. I just connect and connect. When I braid one part, I take the left. When I braid right, I take the left. When I take left, I take the right. So it's just like that. That's just a continuous way of doing it. And you want to make sure that your braid is in the middle of your hair so that you don't have like external braids or those extra braids showing that you didn't do it right. So I'm going to be doing the next one and adding my gel, and then I would crochet my external um, expression hair into my hair. So guys, I did a mistake here. I'm always going to tell you the mistakes I did in all my videos so that you guys will learn from my mistakes. What I did wrong here was you see the too much space. I'm not supposed to leave too much space. I'm supposed to put this space together. I'm supposed to put the hair together without no space so that you have a nice finish. But I didn't do that. And if you'd see in the video, I actually have some hair showing that, oh yeah, she actually crocheted this thing on her hair. But yeah, that is my mistake, and I'm not ashamed of my mistakes. It's for, for the benefits of others. So what you do is always put your crochet hair, when you're crocheting your hair, always make sure that they are connected, okay? Don't like try to skip places. Don't like try to make it fast and then do it one and make space, make too much space. So guys, this is literally it. After this section, I just put my hair in hot water, and then I also used my needle and thread to align the hair. You need your needle and thread to align your hair. And guys, I don't know if I said it again earlier. This is my first time trying this hairstyle, or even braiding my whole hair. So I'm really excited and I'm grateful I could do this for me and by myself. And that is why I really wanted to share this to everybody too. Just so in case you know how to braid, or you know how to do like cornrows, you could even do your hair, but you just don't have any idea of how to start your own hair. This video is for you. And if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Your subscription matters a lot, and your like and your views, everything actually, and if everything about you guys matters a lot to me. So thank you. So this is me putting the hair in hot water, and then after the hot water, I just use my needle and thread to tack it down, like I said earlier. And guys, that is literally it for this hair. I did this hair within let me say approximately 3 hours or 4 hours. Yes, that is how long I did it. I was surprised too that it took me that fast. But yeah, it took me that amount of time to do my hair, and this is what you have. If you love this video again, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I love you all. See you on my next video. Bye. Mwah.